Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can adjust the Chromebook screen brightness so you can see better depending on what is the lighting condition on the place you are working with your Chromebook device. So for example, if you're working outside, the ambient light is of course is going to be a lot brighter, and therefore you might want to increase the brightness level of the screen to compensate with the surrounding light. And on the contrary, if you're working at night or there is a room with low light condition, then you might want to reduce the brightness level. So there are multiple ways you can reduce and increase the brightness level, and the first method that I highly recommend, which I think is a lot easier, is by using the keyboard keys. So in Chromebook there are actually two dedicated keys that are located at the top row of the keyboard, they are located just above the number rows, and the keys are being represented by an icon of sun. So there is a smaller sun and then there is also the bigger sun. So the smaller sun, when you press it, it's going to reduce the brightness, and the bigger sun will increase the brightness. If you don't know where you can find those keys, I'm going to show you. I do have a picture of a normal Chromebook layout, and a lot of Chromebooks do have this keyboard layout, and the sun icons, the brightness settings can be accessed here. So there are two keys. This is the smaller sun and this is the bigger sun. Again, if you press the bigger sun, it's going to increase the brightness, and the smaller sun will reduce the brightness. Okay, now that was the first method. The second method is actually by using the bottom right corner menu. I think it's called clock menu. So you can click this clock area on the shelf, and there's a slider here. You can actually just click and then drag it to the left or to the right to increase or reduce the brightness. Now you are not going to see the changes here on the screen on the video that you're watching right now, because I'm recording this on a Chromebook device, and also this thing is going to be, it's affecting the hardware, not the content of the screen. So it was a hardware change. It's not something that's happening digitally on the computer or on a device. So just make sure that just remember that this is you're not going to see this on the video tutorial like this, but you will see that when you do it on your Chromebook device. So that was the second method, and yeah, maybe it's going to be a lot more convenient for some people because they don't have to reach the keyboard every time. But there's still another way you can this time is not going to be increasing or reducing the brightness level, but you can enable a feature called night light. So night light is a feature designed to make your screen to be night friendly, especially when you are working with a device at night. You can go to the clock icon, so the clock area again, and in order to enable night light, you can click on this icon. So it's going to make the screen to turn a bit yellow, a bit warmer, so it's going to be easier in the eyes. Again, this is something that's happening in the hardware. That's why you won't see that when you are watching this video. But if you just click on this icon, it will enable night light, and to disable it, just click it again and it's gone. So yeah, those are some ways you can try to adjust the level of brightness of your screen on Chromebook. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day and take care.